Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So, good morning, all of you, and it feels an honor to me that I am associated with Islop College, and since it is the one of the oldest college in Nagpur, and thanks to Bhayati ma'am and Rupa ma'am who contact me for this webinar. Even we were struggling to find the topic on which topic to deliver the webinar. Finally, we came to a conclusion like uh, as this COVID-19 pandemic has made us to rethink on revenue sources, on job opportunities, career opportunities, and so on. So we thought like why not to share some job opportunities which are available online to our aspiring students. So we came to the conclusion that we will deliver some webinar on topic e-career development opportunities. So myself, Harish Zambani, I am founder of IIoT Labs. We founded this company in the month of October 2018, and we named this company after the name of Industrial Internet of Things, which means IIoT. It is nothing but IoT related to industries. So we came with this name. So moving ahead, what we do. So we are into IoT product development. We are into industrial Internet of Things product development and services. We are into embedded product development. Happy to announce that we have developed one contactless IR thermometer, which is completely designed in Nagpur, and so it will be manufactured and will be in the Indian market. So we can replace some Chinese products. We are there. And finally, we are into software development and services. Moving into our today's webinar, which is e-career development opportunities. First, we will see what is career for us. Like as we are students, what we do, what is our conventional career opportunities, and how do we develop that? What is the process of that? What is duration, time cycle, and all these things we will see in the webinar in the slides one by one. So this is how I look. I'm not comfortable to share my video, so this image will be available whenever I speak. Now, students, career. When we think of career, what as we are students, what we think like we will complete our graduation, we will complete a post graduation, even some go for PhD doctorate, and we look for job. No job. There are many different categories of job. Some go for government companies job, some go into banking sector, some go into private company jobs, some go for teaching jobs in schools or colleges. That is also very good job. Some go for businesses, some go for trading business, some go for startups. There are so many opportunities available. But what is the root of that? What is the cycle of that? We will see one by one. Like when we are into our graduation, we are almost age of at least 21, like 21 plus. Either we do any graduation in any field. So once we complete our graduation, we go for our degree, means we complete our degree. We get the degree holding either in graduation or in post graduation. Age is 21 plus. Then we search for job. Some students get job in campus, like some companies come in on-campus recruitment process. Some 10 to 15% students get selected, as the employment opportunities are 16%, 15 to 16%. As far as 100 students are concerned, only 16 get directly selected after their graduation. Then what we do when we ask some companies to give us job, what we do there? We sell ourselves. We sell our time. We don't borrow anything. We sell our time. So this is very important point to note here. When we go for a job, we sell ourselves. Means selling ourselves means we sell our time, and against that we get some salary. So we start earning some bucks. We some annual package, some people get good job, some people get average job. So we are into the age of 20s, late 20s. So we start earning. Then what? As the earning starts, we are we are in a hurry to spend that money. Like if you get job in your hometown, it's very well good option for you. You can save a lot money if you are in a hometown. If you are not in your hometown, you will have to spend a lot of money. Like if I say 80:20 ratio, if you earn what we say 10,000 rupees per month as an example, so you have to spend at least 8,000 if you're not in your hometown. So on an average, you will save 20%, whether you earn 10,000 or you earn 50,000 or you earn 1 lakh per month. So at that time, we forgot to save money because this is the standard ratio. We should opt for saving more money since we are single at that time. We 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 can what we say adjust with the facilities we want, because if you save money at that age, that money will fulfill your dreams of higher education. If somebody wants to go for higher education, if somebody wants to go for MS in US, or you want to go for management, you want to go for GMAT or any category, if you are going for higher education, it takes a lot of money. You have to invest a lot of money. Even you have to spend a lot of time also. So once you did this smart step like earning and saving a lot of money, so you can go for this option very well. Then if you completed your higher education, then comes your what we say marriage part. Your parents ask you to go for marriage. Then this part goes on. Then you are into 26 from 26 to 30. So then after 30 or after 28, once you get married, you go for family planning. Then you go for this process continues. Like when you have your children, then you go for children's education planning, their planning, personal planning, and XYZ. So when they grow up, once again this step continues. So this is conventional process of career development which we are following from many years, many decades. Now this conventional opportunities got very much disturbed during this COVID-19 pandemic. Why? Because there was complete lockdown all over India and all over world even, and we could not go out of our house, we could not go to office, we could not go to our college, any classes you are going. We could not do anything unless and until we are online. Those all people who are offline, they had many losses. As far as business, they had business loss. Job, they had job loss. Even we are seeing some research companies are predicting like 32 crore people will lose their job in India only. Couple of weeks back, I read one article like 4.3 million people have lost their jobs in US alone. But US took 10 years to create that amount of jobs. But they lost in quick time, in just 2 months of time. So you can imagine if this pandemic and lockdown continues, as you're seeing in India, the cases are rising day by day. If this continues, so what will happen? What will happen to employment? What will happen to business persons? What will happen to all trading people? We have no option. We have to go online. That's what we have added E as an alphabet to the career option, which is e-career. So if you have understood this and you are planning this again, you will imagine like somewhere down the line, couple of years down the line, we will be in a big trap. Like you will be stuck in your career, because 2-3 years from now, like it is predicted that 2025 e-learning, only e-learning, online learning business will be $325 billion. So you can imagine if education is going completely online, all the businesses have gone online, but there is a big change all the business will go online in the coming 2 to 3 years. So we have to get ready at this time. If we are not ready, we have to start at this time. And if not started, we have to think at this time. Because if you are not online, we are nowhere. So moving ahead, let me talk about active and passive income. This is somewhat the topic not related to you directly because you have not started your earning. So as we discussed the conventional career opportunities, maximum career opportunities are active income based. Now what is active and what is passive? As you can see, there are four quadrants, four options available: E, S, B, I. So E stands for employed, those who are employed working in some institutes, working in some companies. So what they do, they work for money. As I said, like when we go for a job, we sell our time, and against time we get some salary, or we are paid against time. So that is active income, because when we work for that institute, when we work for that company, only then we are paid. If you're not working, we don't paid. So this is the best option, like the initial option of active income. All employees comes under active category. Then comes what we see: shop owners, small businessmen, traders. They are self-employed, like chartered accountant, lawyer, doctors. All these professions are self-employed. What they do, they work for themselves. The more the time they spend in their office, they earn more. Like, what benefit is with self-employed, which is not with employees? Self-employed can take their holidays based on their time schedule. They can keep working, or they, whatever they want, they can. They are somewhat free as far as their profession is concerned, but not completely free. And with employees, they are not free. They have to go as per the schedule of company or institute. So this is the left part, which is employed and self-employed, which mostly comes under active income. Then moving to the right side, which is passive kind of income. The B part is big business, like a businessman under whom at least 500 people are working. 500 people are working for that businessman. 500 people are working for that business company. They spend their time to earn money for that businessman. Like, what that businessman do, they hire that people, like they borrow the people, they ask the people to work for their company and earn some money for the company, and they are paid whatever time they invest in. So this is the first example of money working for you. Like a big businessman spend a lot of money in their businesses, and that money works for them. Like, they borrow the time from people work for them, they earn money, and they pay something to the people, and they earn a lot of money. So big businesses make big money. And the fourth part comes, which is the most important part of this quadrant, which is investors. Now many big business people become investors, because what they do, they start with earning a lot of money, they save a lot of money, they invest in different companies, they acquire startups, they do mergers and acquisitions. Means uh, one once they set up their business, they earn a lot of money, they create different options of income. So that options, they don't have to be available 24/7 to create income from other options. That is called passive income. Means spending very less time and earning regularly. So as the person you're seeing on screen, he is Mr. Robert Kiyosaki. He is the author of the best book, which is Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's a very good book. I will suggest you during your during your academics to read this book and take the first step moving towards businessman or passive income. Next, as far as passive income is concerned, today you have heard about network marketing. So this is the era which is decade from 2020 to 2030. It is the golden era for network marketing. As I have the information, there are 457 companies in India registered under government of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 456 are into product based and one is into service based. So to move into business, you should have some marketing and sales experience. And if you want that experience without doing job in any company or working for anyone, you can choose this network marketing field. This is nothing but you will be joining. If you join any company, you will be joined as a distributor. You have all the powers which are available with the company. Network marketing means you are starting your own business without investment. You don't have to invest into your shops, into your goods, or any factory, or any service-based company, or in your office. Means a business to be started without any investment is network marketing. This is very good option to get experience, to learn something, what is going into the market, what products are available, how the sales is done, how marketing is done. Once you build your network, then you can get good net worth, net income, and net profit. Students, every company you name it, they build network. They build network of employees, they build network of products, they build network of customers, they build network of offices, they build network of service stations, they build network of different stores or retail stores. Name any company, they are building their network, and we are the part of that network. Whatever we do, whatever we purchase, the income goes to that businessman, that company. The same thing you can do without much investment, and you can be a part of big passive income. Next is, as you can see this picture, the left side is the active part, means you have to be active till your retirement. Means if the retirement age is 60 or plus or 58, you have to work till then if you want to earn money for yourself, if you are doing job. But if you are creating passive income, some sources of passive income right from this age, so you can retire at the age of 40, 45 or 50. It's your choice whether to go for active income or passive income. Now the question will come to your mind, like if there is financial emergency and we want to earn at this age and we have to support our family, what you can do, you can start with any active income you like, you can start with any job you like, and simultaneously you can take the initial steps, you can take the action of building passive income. There are so many options of building passive income. Some of the options we have discussed, that is network marketing, and later we are discussing many online opportunities. Now, as you can see, millionaires are said to have 7 income sources at least. Now, who are millionaires? Millionaires are those who have their passive income greater than their expenses. Like if you're earning 1 lakh rupees per month, and that is active income, and your expenses are 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month, and your passive income is 0, so you are not millionaire. And suppose at this age you started creating passive income sources, and in a couple of years time you have built a passive income of rupees 1 lakh per month, and all your expenses are going from your passive income. And if you maintain active income till that, so what will happen? Your active income will be complete saving, and your expenses will be done through passive income. So in that case you are a millionaire. So what are the different types of income you can have in your future life? It is earned income. Earned income is the money that you earn by doing something or by spending your time earning, like a day job. That is called as your job, your any business or shop. This is earned income, where we spend a lot of time throughout the day. It can come into active part. Then comes profit income. which is money that you earn by selling something for more than it's cost you to make. Like with your job, if you have started small businesses, if you have started startups, there are many household products which are built into your houses and then sold to small shop owners. So there, what you can do, you can start with little investment. You can generate profit from that income. That comes under profit income. And if you have a lot of savings, you can get interest income also. You can spend into bonds. You can spend into some peer-to-peer lending, etc. There you can earn interest income. After that comes dividend income. Dividend income comes from stocks. If you have done your investment in some stocks from in BSE or NSE, anything. I'm not good in that part. So you get dividends, like you get interest on that stocks from the companies yearly, 6 months, quarterly. That is also very good income. Now the best option for many people around us we see, that is rental income. You have your savings and you have got some you have lent some loan from bank and you have purchased one flat or any house and you have put that into rent. So monthly you will get some rent. So that is very good income. It is a part of passive income. Some capital gains. This is the money that you get as a result of increase in value of an asset that you own. Again, this can be house, flat, anything, realty sector or any commodities where you have invested your money, you get for some time and you get some capital gains on your investment. And the seventh part is royalty income. Royalty income comes, the best part of royalty income we see is in network marketing. And again, we see if you write some books, if you are a good author, I will suggest you to write some books. If you are innovative, I will suggest you to develop some products. Or if you have many ideas, like you can go for startup also. Moving ahead, now what are the actual e-career options, which is our important topic of today's webinar. Career online. E means electronic career, electronic means digital. What are the career options available in today's world, in digital world, which we can go at right from this age? First is you have to create your own brand name. Like example, if some student's name is Rahul Success.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Please increase your voice, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, as a student or anybody in the webinar, all the participants, you name any company, there is one person behind that. You name Google, there is Larry Page. You name, Larry Page and Sundar Pichai. You name Microsoft, there is CEO of Satya Nadella. You name IBM. You name any company, there is one person behind that brand. Who builds that company or who is at the top position of that company. So first the company name comes, then the brand name comes, then the person comes who has created the brand. So we as an individual have to develop our brand, have to develop ourselves, have to create our profile, have to be strong in whatever we do. So for that, what we can do, the first step, we can go for our own website. Like if you are branding your personal image, you can create your own brand name, like Robin Sharma. You have heard about Robin Sharma. He is an individual brand. So Robin Sharma, like robinsharma.com, tharvaker.com, robertkiyosaki.com. You can go with your name or you can go with the product name. If you have any idea, if you want to sell your services, if you want to sell any product you will develop in the future, The first step you have to do is create your own website, which is World Wide Web. You will be available. You will be available throughout the world. So the first step towards online presence. Now, what is the option for us as a student? What we can do while we learn? How can we earn? So first, you have to find your niche. You have to find your passion. If you are studying BSc electronics, computer, anything you are studying, and if your passion is something like you are good at arts, you are good at craft, or if you are good at building projects, if you are good at electronics hobby projects, or if you are good at writing something, you can start your blog. Whatever you are good at, you have to present yourself online. You have to create articles, you have to create videos, you have to create PPTs, whatever digital document you can create, you have to do that. As far as your passion is concerned, the topic should be based on your passion, because if you choose money before your passion, you will end up very soon. So how YouTube helps us? You would have heard like a child has one YouTube channel in the US. That child and that family, their parents earned rupees 17 crores in one complete year only from YouTube. What they used to do, they used to purchase, the parents of that child used to purchase toys every day, one new toy. So what they used to do, they used to play with the toys, record the video, they used to unbox the toys, record the video, they used to introduce the toys, again record the video. So all these recorded videos they used to post or upload on this YouTube channel. Students, whatever I'm talking about, online business and all, online earning, online career options, it takes time. It will take at least 2 to 3 years to give you a good handsome revenue. So once you create YouTube channel, you have to follow your passion. You have to create videos. You have to create good contents. It should be unique, not repeated or not copied. And it will take some time. Even it can take 1 month for the first video. There are so many online tools to edit video. So many online tools to what we say, to generate some digital content, to for some what we say, arts and crafts. If you want to add something into your videos or some animations, all softwares are available online. There are paid softwares and free softwares. You can start with free softwares, and when you start your revenue, you can go for paid softwares, paid tools. YouTube is the biggest what we say, very good option for online presence, online learning. Now the question will come to your mind, like everybody in the webinar present have watched so many videos on YouTube. Whatever video you click on, whatever duration you watch the video, somebody is earning. Suppose you click on a YouTube video which has duration of 30 minutes and you watched it for 10 minutes only. So the person who has created that video, the person whose channel you are watching, he will be paid some amount. So there are all the calculations available on YouTube website and Google website. How much you can earn, what are the different rules and regulations, how much subscribers should be there for you to start earning. So you have to come in front of camera. Okay. So either you come for your passion, either you come for your parents, either you come for your children, either you come for financial security, either you come for yourself, either you come for anything you want, any reason you want, but you have to come in front of the camera if you want to generate digital revenue. YouTube is the first option. Next option is Facebook. Now you can directly upload your videos on YouTube, and now there are so many other social media options from where you can drive the traffic, drive the customers, or drive your subscribers onto YouTube, because YouTube is a channel where the people spend most of their time. Means the people spend more time as compared to other social media sites. Now, how Facebook? The Facebook project was started by Mark Zuckerberg as a PhD project, just only for campus, like a fun project, like where people will share their fun photos, fun pics, fun pictures, family pictures. Just for a base of 10,000 people, it was created. I don't remember the exact the name of that university. I think Stanford, maybe. So it was a complete campus project, PhD project. So then the idea came in Mark Zuckerberg's mind that why can't we take it global? Why can't we launch this application for whole world? So when that idea came in Mark Zuckerberg's mind, he invited 5 of his friends for business discussion, business idea discussion. 3 people didn't come in his meeting. 2 people come in his meeting, and that 2 people are now billionaires. So Facebook will help you in doing online advertisement, online promotions of your brand, and to gather the audience on your YouTube channel. You can do paid advertisement. You can create your page on Facebook. You can do paid promotions. You can boost your products. You can boost your advertisement. You can boost your page. So it is so precise. Like if you want to boost your advertisement or any product in suppose Orissa, you can select that option, and from Orissa you have to select Cuttack or any other district you want. And if you want to select a special group of people, like only students whose age is from 21 to 28 years, so till that depth you can go into Facebook. So Facebook gives you very precise marketing option, which nowadays many businessmen, many institutes are using. Even freelancers are also using. So Facebook has a very good channel. As it is said, social media is not social media now. It is completely commercial media. So you have to spend your time properly on social media. If you are just scrolling the web browser on or applications on social media, you are completely wasting your time. Instead of scrolling, allow others to scroll your content so that you can earn something at this age. Even 5,000 rupees per month will help you a lot in your student life. You can plan for paying your own fees by your own from next year. Next option is WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is personal social media option where you send if you forward any contents, the content is received personally by that person. Now how social media WhatsApp can help us? The WhatsApp which we are using is personal WhatsApp. Another option in WhatsApp is available, that is business WhatsApp. Now suppose there is one businessman who has installed business WhatsApp, and you suppose you send any message to him once in 24 hours. If you send him hello, hi, any greeting message, so if he has done the settings of business WhatsApp, automatically you will receive the message with all the contents of his business products, services he is offering. So a very precise tool which can be automated. We can do auto branding of our products, of our website, of our links, whatever we want to set our contents to. That contents are you can reset the contents as your content changes or product changes or anything. So business WhatsApp is also a very good option. Now, as you have heard, Facebook, who is the owner of WhatsApp also. So Facebook has invested around 53 or 47,000 crores into Jio platforms. Now what Jio has offered, 10%, 9 point something percent of stake. Then Jio is coming into e-commerce. So Facebook was planning to come in India as far as WhatsApp payment is concerned. As a payment gateway, Facebook had to enter India, but they were not getting option. So they were in talks with many companies. So they find the option of Jio platform, which is coming in e-commerce, especially Kirana grocery shops. So they are giving good competition to Flipkart and Amazon. So keeping that in mind, Facebook, which is now social media, which is commercial social media, now the time will come when WhatsApp will also be commercial social personal app. You will see WhatsApp payment gateway. You now at this time you see the status in our WhatsApp. So that status will be converted into advertisements. So you will be seeing advertisement. The company who is doing website, who is doing promotion or advertisement on WhatsApp, they will be paid. They will pay the amount to WhatsApp company. I mean to say means the social media is becoming completely commercial. You have to think before spending your time on social media. After that, we have LinkedIn. So if you want to search for professional contacts, professional companies, or even if you want to hire somebody, there is no better site than LinkedIn. LinkedIn has very good network of professionals all over the world. You can find professions from education sector, professions from trading sector, profession from software companies. So every sector you can find on LinkedIn. So I have seen many students have created their profiles on LinkedIn. So I'll suggest if you're not created your profile on LinkedIn, so do this step today only. Whatever profile you are available with, whatever certificates, whatever experience, whatever freelancing experience or any volunteer experience, all complete education till now, you can upload or you can create a profile on LinkedIn. Now what will happen if you create a profile on LinkedIn? First of all, you will be available online. All the recruiters who are searching for their desired candidates on LinkedIn, if their search matches you, your data will be available with them. They can contact you through LinkedIn, or if you share your email or contact number, any information with them. So for recruitment companies, for employees, for job search, for any professional activity related to career, LinkedIn is the best option, which is owned by Microsoft. Again, a very big social media, which is now commercial. Next option is Twitter. So I'm not completely means what we say active on Twitter, but what I have learned from Twitter is the famous personalities, the renowned personalities, everybody is available on Twitter. You would have heard like the actions on Twitter's contents, or what we say post is taken very fast. Like you would have heard a couple of years back some post related to Indian Railways as far as water hygiene was concerned, was posted by some customers, and the action by that railway ministry was taken very quick. Now Twitter can also help you in branding yourself, branding your products, branding your services, which is again a very good company, very good base of customers Twitter has. Now the Twitter has introduced Fleets in India. Fleets is nothing but, as Facebook has your story and WhatsApp has status, so Twitter has Fleets, which is introduced in India now. And one thing to remember here is whatever profile pic you upload on Facebook, on WhatsApp, so on every social media it should be uniform, it should be same. Do not post any what we say fun picture of yours or any different pictures on different social medias as far as social media is concerned. Next is Instagram. As you are young, young students, you might be active on Instagram. Instagram is also a very good site for promotions, for forwarding images, or forwarding image like contents, forwarding links. Forwarding means posting your data on Instagram. So the young people, young candidates are in good numbers on Instagram, are active on Instagram. Next is Google Plus, which is not very much successful. Still, you can use it as it is integrated with your Gmail account. You can use it if you want. Then comes Pinterest. Pinterest is an image-based social website where you post something as your image, whatever content you want to post. If you post images of that content that is linked with your website link or any YouTube channel link or Facebook link, wherever you want your customers to be driven. So Pinterest is also a very good site. Now, after getting some basic knowledge of all the social media, what we have to do now, after completing this webinar, you cannot go directly on YouTube. You can create YouTube channel, post videos and all. You have to create some strategy. Like, first of all, you have to find your passion. What is your niche? How do you want to move ahead in your life? Whether you want to go with job and this personal brand name, you have to select that option. Only you can then take your actions. First of all, you have to learn about all the social media. Without learning, if you jump into this social media or if you jump any kind of job or business, you will fail. You will not go long. So even to get a job, we have to learn at least 15 years, right, from first to graduation. So after getting education for 15 years, we are ready for any job. Or even after that, we have to take some extra trainings, extra certifications, so that we can get a good job. So learning part will be there for your lifetime. You must never stop learning. Again, coming to the end part of this webinar, whatever thing, if you decide yes you can. हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि अगर सोचना है तो बड़ा सोचो, शुरुआत छोटी करो, लेकिन शुरुआत जरूर करो. अगर आपके सपने बड़े हैं, आपको लाइफ में बहुत कुछ बड़ा करना है, तो उसका छोटा सा एक्शन आपको आज लेना पड़ेगा. जब भी सोचो, बड़ा सोचो. And you can see the image of the biggest investor on this globe, whose name is Warren Buffett. He says, never depend on a single income. If you started with your single income, save some money, make investment of that money to create a second source, and continue this to create many sources of income. Next is think big, and don't listen to people who tell you it can't be done. I will share a small story of Sandeep Maheshwari, which I have heard on YouTube. I will share it in Hindi. एक छोटा सा गांव होता है, उसमें दो बच्चे होते हैं, एक 6 साल का और एक 10 साल का. वो घूमने फिरने खेलने निकलते हैं गांव से बाहर, और आगे जाकर एक जंगल में पहुंचते हैं, जहां पर खेलते खेलते जंगल में एक कुआं होता है जो उनको दिखाई नहीं देता है. और कुएं में जो बड़ा बच्चा होता है 10 साल का, वो कुएं में गिर जाता है खेलते खेलते. अब कुएं में गिरने के बाद वो जोर जोर से चिल्लाता है कि मुझे बचाओ, मुझे बचाओ. और अब जो 6 साल का बच्चा है जो बाहर खड़ा है और जो बहुत डर चुका है कि मेरा बड़ा दोस्त जो 10 साल का है वो कुएं में गिर गया है, तो मैं इसको कैसे बचाऊं. अब यहाँ दूर दूर तक उस छोटे बच्चे को कोई दिखाई नहीं देता है कि वो किसी से मदद ले सके या किसी को जोर से चिल्ला के बुला सके कि मेरी मदद करो, मेरे दोस्त को कुएं से बाहर निकालने में. तो यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ी घटना होती है, जो ये होती है कि वो जो 6 साल का छोटा बच्चा होता है, वो कैसे भी करके वहां पे कुछ रस्सी का अरेंजमेंट बोलो या छोटी छोटी झाड़ियों का अरेंजमेंट बोलो, वो कैसे तो भी करके एक छोटा सा अरेंजमेंट कर लेता है ताकि वो कोई चीज वो कुएं में फेंक सके और उस अपने दोस्त को बोल सके कि आप ये रस्सी या फिर कुछ और डाली को पकड़ के आप पकड़िए और मैं आपको बाहर खींचता हूँ। तो होता ये है कि वो सब अरेंजमेंट करने के बाद, वो सब जुगाड़ करने के बाद, वो जो छोटा सा बच्चा होता है वो अपने बड़े दोस्त 10 साल के बच्चे 10 साल के दोस्त को वो कैसे भी करके बाहर निकाल लेता है। अब ये स्टोरी में सबसे अच्छा और सबसे बड़ा लेसन ये है कि वो जो छोटा बच्चा होता है उसके आसपास दूर दूर तक उसको कोई भी इंसान ये बोलने वाला नहीं होता है कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते हैं। कहने का मतलब ये जो आप स्क्रीन पे स्लाइड देख रहे हैं, थिंक बिग एंड डोंट लिसन टू पीपल हु टेल यू इट कांट बी डन। आप जब भी बड़ा सोचेंगे, आप जब भी लाइफ में बहुत सक्सेसफुल होना चाहेंगे, आप जो भी ड्रीम्स फुलफिल करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए आपको बहुत से ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे कि ये आप नहीं कर सकते, ये आपसे नहीं होगा, इसमें बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ये आप कैसे करेंगे, बिजनेस आपका पार्ट नहीं है, आप अच्छा जॉब कीजिए। तो अगर आपने अपना डिसीजन ले लिया है तो आपको उनको यही कहना है कि ये मेरा काम है, ये मुझे करने दीजिए और मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा। तो ये स्टोरी से ये बहुत बड़ा लेसन मिलता है और यहाँ पे मेरा वेबिनार एंड होता है। सो थैंक्स यू फॉर योर अटेंशन। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क एंड इफ यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट मी you can note out these details. harizumbani@gmail.com and office email ID is iiotlabs@gmail.com. You can note the contact number also if you want. Thank you very much, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Some students have raised the question: How was stock marketing to earn money?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, once I was a couple of weeks back only, I was interacting with my friend. So he is into State Bank of India. He's assistant manager, and from years he is what we say studying stock markets. So he had done one course related to stock market, like how to invest, how to buy and sell, all the ABCs, all the education about stock market. You can get training from brokers or broking companies or any other institutes or training institutes. I will suggest you to at least 6 months to 1 year just watch what are stocks, what is BSE, what is NSE, what are different skips, how the rates of different stocks are going up and how are they coming down. So my friend had shared one PDF related to stock markets in which I saw the predictions till 2060. Like there are different waves in stock markets. The persons who are experts in stocks, they have written some books and they have predicted the waves till 2060. So if you want to start, it is a very good option, but it comes under active income. You have to give your time. It can be intraday trading or interday trading. You can buy and sell in throughout the day, and you can keep it for long-term investment. It depends on you, and you have to do some investment. And one suggestion, like if you have done investment of rupees 1 lakh, so take the profit of 1 lakh and play with the principal amount only. Or you can play with the, if you can take out the principal amount and you can play with the profit. Yes, ma'am.
One more participant has raised a question: How much time does network marketing require?
Ma'am, network marketing, if you are a fresher, so it will take at least 6 months to learn something from them, that company.
Okay.
You would be knowing some good options for network marketing. Amway you would have heard, which is a US based company. The biggest company in India is Vestige, which is again in network marketing. You would have heard about Modi Care, RCM. So there are 456 Indian companies into product based network marketing, which are registered in India when government of India declared this category of business as an industry in the year 2016. One another option is apart from 456, one company has registered under service sector in India, which is Next Money.
Okay.
You have to invest.
Yes, sir.
You have to invest at least 6 months of your time. So if you are choosing that option, I guarantee you will learn a lot of marketing skills, you will learn a lot of sales skills that will be benefited, or that can play a good role if you go for a marketing or a sales job later on, along with your network marketing career.
Sir, one of the participant has asked that ads making, or what we incorporate ads or upload the thing, it does not work to increase subscribers on YouTube. So what to do? How? I think he's intending to ask the question how to increase the subscribers on YouTube so that he gets a good market.
Yes, yes. So like you have heard brands like Thanda Matlab, you will say Coca-Cola. Okay, that picture comes into your mind when we say Thanda Thanda. Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola. When we say Thanda Thanda Cool Cool, then comes the picture of Navratna Tel, which is whose advertisement is done by a great Amitabh Bachchan ji. So what they are doing, they are not selling product, they are selling emotion. So to increase your subscribers, what I can suggest you is create some unique contents. You have to observe your market base. You have to observe on what niche you have built that YouTube channel, and you have to relate it to daily life stories. Like there are so many product examples. I mean to say you have to what we say, no, after looking into an ad or looking into your content, there should be somewhat goosebumps. Those who are looking into that. So that category comes under copyright. Those who write advertisement, those who write stories. So you can do some small courses in that area.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
At last, you have to be unique and innovative.
Sir, am I audible?
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Sorry, ma'am. There was yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dear students and faculties on today's webinar, today was our last session as a part of Student Development Program, a webinar series for building skills so that our students are worthful after COVID-19 effect. This is the precious time that they can drill up their skills, get ready with some tools and techniques, so that when the doors after the COVID-19 pandemic open, they are ready with all their skills. I'm heartily obliged, and thank you, sir, for giving such a very good webinar on e-career development opportunities. Dear students, I am thankful to you also for attending the session so consistently and interactively. Today's resource person was Mr. Harish Zambani. He is founder at IIoT Labs, Nagpur. He is an experienced embedded system engineer with a demonstrated history of working in the electrical and electronic manufacturing industry. He is skilled in electronics, wireless technologies, product design, engineering, and C. Strong engineering professional with a master's degree focused in electronics engineering from RTM Nagpur University. Dear students, he is having experience in IoT lab as a founder, Smart Digital Web and Mobile Technologies OPC Private Limited, where he was a solution architect of IoT, JDM Tech Semiconductors Private Limited, where he was embedded systems consultant, and iLabs Research Private Limited, where he was associate engineer. Sir, thank you so much for interacting with our students. We had the registrations all across India, and in this particular pandemic days, it was very fruitful that sir was interacting with the students and guiding them with the e-career development opportunities that are available through social media, which is very well versed with each and every student across India, across globe. So how they can earn and learn and learn and earn so that they have a dignified life. On behalf of Department of Computer Science, Hislop College, Nagpur, and on behalf of my principal, Dr. Prashant Shelke, the convener of this webinar series, and my management, I extend a warm thanks to each and everyone present over here and attending all the sessions of this webinar series. Hope the theme that building skills be worthful after COVID-19 has landed on each heart, each mind, and has created a good pathway for you all for a success. I thank all my 5 resource persons that they have conducted the sessions. Dr. Keshav Bhandarkar sir, Dr. Hariom Punyani sir, Dr. Arjun Mane sir, Dr. Rakesh Himte sir, and Mr. Harish Zambani sir for sparing their valuable time and guiding the students and enlightening them so that they can lead a very good life with good values and a good career. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Dear students, you will get the certificates within couple of days.